dra echi that's ukwada on Wednesday no and honorable Ken a submit the nomination form no na honorable Ken the on BBI organic yani BBI organic now say organic no so BBI obe bia no nyankopon ka ho a oton super edigu oye imayen en super oton super edigu egu so emayen if you say down honorable Ken ekofa nomination form no nyankopon eton suo edigu so emayen SOMPA da ukwada I already say ekofa form na enkran de so no shall say to around 9:30 10 a.m. so ne to sa about 12:30 ni nso na tie here you drew why submitted from you pepepe ni nso no sa jemu Ghana for said da say honorable Kentini abano ibegina nsu mu ne nsu to na MPP ene Ghana for honorable Ken ho donti omugina nsu mu the mekan earlier say honorable Ken ne don the organic no oni amfa basa ngofa baby ankwesi baby a say opese obe support honorable Ken abra na me ne ike kasa say fia da twam na na say even Ghana for nya 1 week notice senka Wednesday no e be ka submit form na kani pa de kan krabonten so go bia nya ne baby fa ne no ordinance we mpo na e brada na no pa 10 o'clock any breaking news say honorable Ken forms no be ko kwada no empo na sa dom we ipuba MPP headquarters abre nsu to am see nsu to nsu anto honorable Ken ho donti ye wa ha shaibu ma mo hwe o Facebook ni TV so no we mo o man obia e fa ne car e na obaye obia fa ne car e ne baye ya mbase obia se enye empenifo om ne yakasa nka ebi submit om forms no ka ebi kra be si o man of mani mo Madina chairman ekofa bus baako ena secretary no organizer so ko bom ko fa bus baako na koye ntokwa chairman say am for me bus organizer na we say am for your bus e wo man from your premise wa ayo videos in but yen de ne say am attack obi a ye ba honorable Ken ho dance ni ne mo be kan ye de a na ba bia o say ye de to no ye de ato pepe shaibo ya krado yam call ne ko fa Ken splash en famra en akraboga say wa say we be di 2 days on kan these are the krado o tin kran pa
sia me tin kran
sa
ai en kran kasa ba committee say kwe say kwe me do
how was it
kwe
anya kwe o kwe
kwe
anya kwe in grandi bana ode everoni ana
bia na ashoko se de
na your body o
na ne be ma mo fa me ni
everoni o
ba ni bia na me ne ya juma da bi mo se sa no
sai ka se bi try o se o kon kra foforo
fe je ko kra
odru ba bi no ni pa so osia no osi afo so osi wie ya o mo sa pa akra se no de mayira
se manu nkara me si fom na me jan kare sa pa akra akwema press kwem
safa kwa
ya just afọ na
ibia boko
safa na me ka say esi ano after say honorable Ken submit the forms we no there was a crunch meeting
different camps message na say
for message was a message say for previous omokwa honorable Ken o ye adwuma maya
o say big say oma afa mu say wa ba no o say o ye adwuma maya ndi say wa submit form no
say new message okay na safo mayema abushafo ajo ne mo makwa ba mfawra SOMPA ene SOMPA media platform na ene anwumre yi me pese me ne MPP polling station executives edi nkomo na enkomo ye ba bedi ni na ene se o hwe efree Professor Dubo Ahinstab ene o mampeni dada John Ajehunku for time na context ye bie mu se ya na ye mena dream so mena wose me depart nanim na dia
SOMPA FM
ene ba alankojo chamaten ne na adanko akufo ne adeni mo Dr. Kofi Koda Preku bo achaja akomo ane du so na na adanko akufo na edu ni so mena edu mi so mena mapa akunyo na che but ne honorable Ken a raise bar to some point ya operation show us your contribution the why ediama MPP ama yukuno
it is SOMPA
SOMPA ema kutuapa enti operation chire wo soma wasom MPP ama yukuno na mpeni said de okwati de obati de ojana tentudo safo yonkofa video mre ba me ne delegates bi di nkomo kakra bi
kidi aye eni se ebi owa yemfa nuama no nyina enkohye candidate ne nsa omoba demands ne ba na e distribute me name is Opobio yeto 100 pickups in 2004 some of them used ones yeto no America papa we bewu akofi bewu otiwe on a ship on the buy in 2008 any time one me who say me boka ewo MPP ho yipa kona I believe in Nana and our problems me see in Tinafe I have to go all out for Nana me need choice till 2008 my name is Opobio get a brand new Tata pickups 245
my constituency bia
and my constituency that time my constituency is near 245
yes
Obia man Tata pickup a PAC Motors the records are there to check
I tear for muti and near your boy na me pesa me definition na me de best manum ye adwuma bi honorable Kennedy Japan one of the biggest achievement why ye dey the new patriotic party and they say what the then ascend not seat the man NPP honorable Kennedy ba no na the difference between NDC parliamentary candidate ni MPP ni in 1996 no 13,700 honorable Kennedy me close gap na G seat in the man MPP in 2000 and honorable Kennedy Akonya o keeping no 3 consecutive terms and a chain no call Asen Central and o ja Asen North one o say Asen North one NDC awinimu 2 MPP awinu baako the chese honorable Ken ade a Ghana for NDC for kwato ma badema no na ahwet in 1992 honorable Ken or then a company etua MPP bo say $3 million rema omo na eno danchenya in 1996 honorable Ken ema MPP 15 pickups in 2000 on my MPP 50 pickups in 2004 on my MPP 100 pickups in 2008 on the business partner Mr. Opombio eto 245 Tata pickups brand new oko PhD to obitima check records no eda ho in 2012 honorable Ken then the guarantee MPP bosia $2 million mo de ekoye run elections no election e ko wi quarter obi waka you and I were not there ofi say one of the biggest achievement and no danchen in 2014 honorable Kennedy Japan and single-handedly or funny Tamale conference in ma yekoye conference that they say John and Kwabena Japan Apola Foku and the Kwabena Japan e in 2016 honorable Ken Ekoto use pickups at the Brand MPP and the team win power now me can actually be said a context na ye kono enya me na me ye kristoni enya me na me ye kremoni enya me na me ye siremuni enya me na me asante enya me na me bia awonani me na me eye kire ye de waye ewa amanyuku no mu kire ye de waye e de ma MPP kire de wo be ye ma MPP ene da achi de wo be ye na de wo mu nyina enso ne se aya so no aboken ohina Japan ya ma ne contract bebre ene onye sika mama me kan asem ba akwenkyere mo wo hwe obi a wa contribute to a new patriotic party from 1992 be sin na no cresi ya man contract na contract e de ma honorable Ken ya ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia bi ya ma Alankojo Shemate bi but honorable Ken ye no emfa so a e ba contract ne so no ani bi so de bi ekosi cardio and dialysis center $6 million de ma 37 military hospital the biggest in West Africa see we are ne contract na o ye ne oban mu e so mfa so ne bi ana oyi ni bottom sika $400,000 e de ko fa Ghana for ma buna no maka Lebanon e de aba e so mfa so bi na no konfa no cha ban ya asabia o mu hia $147,000 for the Linac accelerator machine or the kutua no e so mfa so ni bi e na ye bedi sala o di donate to the Muslim community e so mfa so ni bi na dan Tamale teaching hospital o mu hia plant ya okoto ko entini Ghana for ma hu nipa ye no mo enam no honorable Ken is different from Obia because the contract na aban yi ba ye no Obia ni obetwa kase wanya contract anye same period say your position no ye hu sire ne ye boy bra and ye ba ba me who say ne boy bra sabi ka nipa no bi ntimi and splash sika e bra omkwa so metom form and afin sika bi nso entimi ko top pickups and fa bonten be campaign kire say aban yi ba ye wonya bibi kakra but o major contribution o de am o man way o major contribution what give you back to the party ne away never ka we ka so no no abokan de we ya da akra bi a no waka wasem ba o wi anipa kro no kasa asem wi no waka say me na me top forms e de ma delegacy for form and bo endru 100 cities each no eno de also kan wasem
eni ha na obi artist bi na no hoche na okọ bo no you anfa cameras eni agira nko
yes
wakọ artist single artist send ho ne ho kire no wakọ bo no ode okwa wo so cameras di wachi de koy obi $6 million AC cardio and dialysis center am mind they also on kana no ntum
yes and safo baby ekwa do ni nyane Ghana mabunu no etu edi honorable Kennedy unim reason is sisia ne ye pa adwuma ye Ghana mabunu issues has to do with jobs na jobs no ane pe obi a enya book mu adwuma me book mu da me check ma bi adwuma kwa 10,000 book mu adwuma ma bi no but ye pa obi a wa ya ade no eda ho and that is honorable Kennedy Japan only the biggest coal store in Africa ye musa say esidai ana Angola ni no own the biggest coal store that is 30,000 tons and I can say me per se Ghana na me take Ghana ni me take Africa ni was it 31,000 tons Ghana steel plants I was saying e ye maako watch ni nyina being owned by foreigners can say me ba be see the latest the most latest steel plants we are one shift be for nipa 500 double shift be for nipa 1,000 yen ko hwe Atebu Amantin sa cassava plant yen ko asimfosu fruitland orange juice amoye and those sa niema we nyina e yade a honorable Ken adwuma bi a wo ye mfaso no wo san give it back to the community and one nipa na me kan ho asema chon Ken is different from any other candidate sebi preduasa candidate na wono se ono ye papa won kan na sebi preduasa uwie ko ka chere se wona oko defend party no was Supreme Court
Vice President.
That you and I were not there.
Vice President, AC 2-bedroom house. Edema maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah,
you who receive so.
Yeah, my publications, you know.
Yes. And
almost say security be no a restaurant CB ewo Accra.
Yeah.
So I'm Roberts B then as taxi driver B and and then a Vice President man.
Yes.
One can wasem. Tiana I don't know no can there say Ghana for Lebanon. No dombadia yes on kana nuntum
and the safo asama me busa MPP for ne say yenhwe achievement we are honorable Kennedy no say preduasa say wo ka say you and I were not there in court na say the biggest achievement na say be kan say court kwa ye bua for na ka che say yenya electoral reform me busa say na adam kwaku for the candidate ye da assembly court say ye kwa kopa bim dia say kwa kopa electoral reforms na ko pa bim di nti eno krampo na ayobi achievement ya nti MPP polling stations executive na me ba mo so anwumre asema me ka che mo ne se e wo so dwene wo ho first amanyo asema aye no me sha igba metie de menya de honorable Ken ba menya ne se obebie nwuma brema Ghana mabunu anya biaye ente wo delegate no candidate na yeso koto aba na wo de na obenya free honorable Ken de waka kire se oba be bie nwuma ama Ghana fo nyina nya adwuma ye oba be nhihye pa ama man emra abasobode asotwe aye nhye mra na mra ndi bimu na enya bimu and we are polling state executive tie die honorable Ken ekan no was say in 2004 almost 100 pickups in 2008 245 pickups at time na constituency e man 245 yenche candidates no one ma summit on form one obet makasa me jam na so eto pickups e makora bo edu e de cha manyoku ni da but me busa e ho say na say ye kwa kumawi honorable Ken wa goma pickups o my pickup me de kwa kumawu honorable Ken e provide pickup me de kwa kumawu na obi so eyi pickups e de akwa ne personal campaign and no honorable Ken enam so odo amanyoku ntini the campaign wa hot in campaign ete asen not a campaign obi so
submitting form
obi so e won kan so a campaign that the personal gains and to man nipa mienu na ye ka omo asem no honorable Ken mama ka say ma ho cham there be na ni be bre wo MPP because we investment na wo ye wo MPP no mo eso enti o say na ni bre enema nko yo say na ni bre MPP for ko ye meeting say strategical o mo hwe kwan fa so ye be election na wo ko likia na ni be bre wo so na ni be bre me kwa ma ni be bre say ye to opposition na party mpeni for safoma for free MPP for any ye meeting kwa ye fa so ye betimi agitumi free NDC nsem now ye MPP ni na ko leak sa information na ye ni be bre wo so
Endra ye
ni be bre wo so
sabu mi ntwa no Endra obi sende sa ayinuma mi 30 seconds video I no kasa MPP mpeni for enim nyansa ne ade na me so me ko screen record DNTA or Casa MP for any means, and I'm Sunday man. Me and Bizan say, Honorable can I write and I say, on your right. Now for AD. Or South Kusia Eastern region and NPP penny for and no more mom strategy. Infanco in election. And NPP in recording and Obeli Kima NDC for Nana Kufuado, then the flag bearer.
Yes.
And NPP penny for national executives and a meeting. No matter recording no their command station bureau and crime. The honorable Kokase, honorable Ken Kokase, Yenim Nyansa or
and he was referring to yes. You in plural, you in singular. Medmaka you, I'm referring to Eigenquan. Never you are more than so he was referring to you now. When I'm more than Mokoya Sadano. In Yansa, Nyansa. Nani baby, but in any case, Ghana for say, ye per candidate or bit mama yajuma. MPP polling station, they say, ye per candidate or bar polling station for be defender. Yet a data force for any then national security coordinator, Mantema, Equina issue. The former chairman, Freddie Bray, issue carta say in boys no. Can the Japan the council in boys no? Honorable can consistently they be also build the party people. Now have me better about and then you bring many MPP constituency chairman Edin Komobi. Savo Ora Chama won't me be casting me. Also to contract a free Kofia Palu and Odikenche. Honorable can so I was say build the party people. To me busa MPP buying say your interest ya was a resource Kofia Palu no decay against Chama won't me anything. Against the constituency chairman, na say, and then Kofia Palu, by people could be see billboards. And if we say the Sergeant Emma MPP chairman, and or ye no yes, and a billboards with a MPP billboard and KCC and can call him. And to honorable Ken, so we honorable Ken Kabubefu, say party chairman to near resource different people, or they don't belong to MPP. Against we are sponsoring different candidates against our own people. Honorable Ken. Oye no no a kebi ko ka say biga okra bia ko atwe aba enti yes polling station executives ni say ba bia montena wa na empenin say ukodwa mienu na hu de ba nyame aboa ono aboken na ba ken ono aboken ba no wo show video e ka say pictorial evidence kire say adewe maye 37 konfanoche the party mpenin for kafa no o wie no from 1992 or catalog niema waye nyina besi baabi e yaduri even to the extent say for mena when they go tue sika e mark chairman 10 billion ma chairman step down ansana asia my baba kan me form the majority waye ni nyina firo ba besi na obi ba wase to aba ma me ye kramuni obi ba wase to aba ma me ye sirimuni
ni qualification
no abusuafo yo and na me buta Christian council for pastor mo say honorable Ken and I say me bo ala ndia kansem sa company council be Christian council for be call mu to order say o mu preach division e wa manyoku no mu because say o ka say o ye kramoni a o pa che say and ya nya say be quotation from the Quran e back say asem say Quran say kramoni pa de kramofo nya support no enti sa Christopher so ka say a Christopher party a Christopher nya embakina na yen chemu ne de ba o my ganim yes Christian council penning for say omon call vice president and the team to order omon kan che omon say baabi omon nam emmo MPP manyiku emmo man in any case see etu omofo na so man tie da kwa sofo bi asem yenya de ho begim na Ghana function so say Christopher mu ntie mi a Christopher constitute 71%, 71.3%. And then Kremofo constitute 19.9%. enti abusuafo ye betena ho ema de Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia team e preach sa religion sentiment no e Christopher mo se mo yeso emfa ya adwene me to me ko presby se o se kramoni ya se back kramoni dia me so shy me se ko presby because presby aso ase Benedict congregation and yeso support Christoni ni ehwe de beba na mon kai se mon ko Turkey abakosem. Turkey was once a Christian country and a Muslim leader ebe take over and Turkey adani kramoman the side am pese en manto delegacy trimana the Christian council for the eboba no se man free team to order there yes so stature mamon free safo me das na me ko o se me delegacy no di nkomo we delegate we electoral area coordinator we party chairman na honorable Ken Sempa na maka no ato adwini mu wa so mu ye da o se no ye bo osu number is 0278
88
68
0278 88
68 0278 68 me da sa
ofra
ya
Shaibu
ni abonko mo
penifo ene obekasa na Shaibu
savo
answer na best sorry no production team my ready sa me free ha me ceremony me we no honorable anodompre akambi production team my ready am video 1 no na iwi a ehumwaye yebema mo
ye party na enya kanfo party down kwa buzia domota the Northern People's Party is started in the north Baba Buzia, where is the Domo candidate? The Domo candidate is represented fully in Dr. Bawumia. Yep.
Okay, we honorable anodompre video the buy no. Na yemmo video 2 no na yemra.
He became chief of Diori Jirapa Diori. I can tell you on authority. Nema Hajira Sandra. When Nebisa or Mwasida. When Nebisa se Hajira at the same. Dombo ne grandchild Diana Puopele. Or the regional organizer 2 terms. Third term, you candidate, I contest abano, I'm a lose, well lose.
On non FM.
Oh, on not Dombo. Namu, you contest a 2 nana. Wedi 2 terms. Girl, you pay DC 2 times, young farmer. So if you want to honor Dombo, you call Diana Puopele and Na Hajra and say, dear Mona Nabeye Yenti. Party no shemu na nen munyam through you. Ya nyane sa. Enti ye ka se domwa one hwan. I want
Shaibu.
Savo.
Unim. Empenfo penibia frames this year. O se ye nsamo anodom predi ni biom yemfa honorable wacheja akode no entwa so. Production by red mom some of
your party your party enya kanfo party down kwa buzia domota the Northern People's Party is started in the north Baba Buzia, where is the Domo candidate? The Domo candidate is represented fully in Dr. Bawumia. Your party
Diori Jirapa Diori. I can tell you on authority. Nema Hajira Sandra. When Nebisa or Mwasida. When Nebisa se Hajira at the same. Dombo ne grandchild Diana Puopele. Or the regional organizer 2 terms. Third term, you candidate, I contest abano, I'm a lose, well lose.
On non FM.
Oh, on not Dombo. Namu, you contest a 2 nana. Wedi 2 terms. Girl, you pay DC 2 times, young farmer. So if you want to honor Dombo, you call Diana Puopele and Na Hajira and say, deɛ mo nana bɛyɛ yɛnti party no ɛhyɛ mo nana animuonyam through you yɛanyɛ ne saa enti yɛka sɛ dɔm mu a ɔne hwan
wei ɛyɛ first video na boy na honorable Anodompre ensamam Aduagiri MP ono na say majority chief whip our parliament ono ka say buzia edibi that will refer to President Kufuor but yenyin said buzo free wanchi ana shaibu me wa
no just that am na boom ache balache
but no sisi a ye kasi e cha ofree wanchi and the second video no honorable Boachi Ejako former energy minister and waka say same people for person mo na dombo a ni nana I friend Dina poor pele etiase ope common MC to say me koti swami can say MC or say mere MC ope MC 2 terms ya mfama no yemi say vice president ne papa ne dombo on ne bo nton baako
avo
shaibu
me pese me ye quick adwuma bi omo kana I swear no don't pray onye party ba onti party na ase sa oti party na ase aho Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia se no ye MPP ni a enka ye boni din ki amana waiver
SOMPA FM
ye boni din amana be din na adanko akufo do chini amana waiver
ye nim ni nuanom am ye NDC for se sa ni nuanom am ye NDC for ne maame
o maame se
be wu no ye NDC
o NDC ni
ye fa ni obeye flag bearer ansa ne maame ifrim but not ne maame ye
sa for me kata se bi ho
the sansem no am fa sansem
bonsam so o hye ne ba sofo a o ja bonsam ye ne kwa sorry because ne ba be sofo but Dr. Mahmoud and monyam sha party ne dem share no o maame wantima convert o maame be MPP ni o maame ifrim sa and sa in any case
enye na konta na MP o cancer adenta na konta ne yiri nua na MP ma NDC ewo e kan say adenta
and sa for maame kan
yes adenta
Nadmoni
PP Nadmoni e kan say
Abu
Ramadan enye na konta no onye PPP enye PNC
yeah
okay
safo share Dr. Mahmoud
SOMPA
tribal card bia na religion bia o me play bia doesn't favor them but omu but o me smart unim na ade na ye ni weakness no o pese ham na ye kan on ko oh and ya say obi e kan timon fama but ye fama no want the party structures as we MPP delegate at say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de ebe ye frabe sada for say good na tiam twa agyajo want the party structures as and to wundi ye da obi a oba join the party in 2008 ya intiman china antena se anchen say party no say ne form a party no e be polling station na djuma nie one tata post one call house to house the party no almost strength a base and tell you here mo video ho a delegate boabo mo free Santa Region called Dr. Mahmoud opame wo mo video no ho e betima bo and to want the party that and the woman so say so ye pobi amana ba represent domwa ye hwe Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia sebi anane ono ane kokan ya okobo papa din ewo mu o papa ba no say ya okọ ai CPP opa no ye nipa ye o mo na start ai PFP mu na ade e ba no say ya okọ ai CPP and when you true party person ya kaze bia and safo ye bo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia din one of idea the convince the party for mo jitu mu ni say you Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia onye em ka onye true party person for that matter na do we on the on the context bi
chat o de yen cancer mi nyina wa hanne yen hwe om kakra
oh and this tribal sentiment na de na o mi play ni wo say oba represent domo for no domo abusia for tiase and na o say ye boni din say on represent enkramofo say play asa say the kebe for region chief mam ye pekramoni na ye boni say we ye finance economist
on na followers also
yes kebe kwa kofa the region chief mam papa me bodi in the account say mo see select say based on say we ekramonia say me ngini say unim koran mo chief mam uni followers chief imam but the boldin say we a competent and the most finest economist ya oba be hand economist some bread as Mahama anya no kasa nyina dollar to CD ratio ka Mahama can come back and say but sebi obi na akoton yam yatamfo and leading the party no anya good thing asafo sa video we ni kwa se so se me firi ha ana mabusu ani ana me yese no se ani kwa se so kra
sabu envensia Strong Voice Network and amoti en kan SOMPA TV ne SOMPA FM stations ni nyina so ti call Facebook Strong Voice Network ne jaw message ho e be ken kama o pese o de o message ba na ken kama on so a betimi asende WhatsApp aba 0598 0598 551 383 0598 551 383 o de o message e fa so ba e be ken kan e da ma ana so pese uni edi nkomo so a offer sa number na penfon no be di nkomo yen ko kan messages kakra Nana Fusuhine or say with Ken breaking the 8 is possible. Yeah, that's it. Nana upon no Ken, no vote, NPP delegate. Okay, yeah, that's it. Nana upon you want to please share the link. Okay, yeah, that's it. Steve Chong or say great work, guys. Yeah, that's it. Kwayan Stitches or say no Ken, no vote. Okay, Kwayan Stitches. Okay, I think that all text from Madina. Or say Ken for president. Yeah, that's it. Ken all the way. From Pong, Ebenezer, I'll say Baumia will fall down flat if NPP delegate vote for him. No Ken, no vote. Okay, yeah, that's it. Strong Voice Network, Facebook, Strong Voice Network, Facebook. Need message or back in camera. After so wait me send a WhatsApp message. 0598 551 383 0598 551 383. Uja message you back in camera. Present you more ready. I am more chairman no video no because time na honorable Emma and na so buy no. Constituency chairman ne regional chairman bia omo on better honorable Kennedy no. No more tunyum bi. Yenti chairman no videos ne ba. Ne abeto aso. we na na ekoso NPP headquarters wabra honorable Ken ebaya owura mu no omo mbae nyina no eye omo ndomo edo ebebo honorable Ken domu yambase obia yambasi obia when your friend no organic love and organic support yambasi obia ti yanka mighty for entie na also for atnasi yebeba okay entie ha kakra me say na hwa ye ma obia nya ba bi mpo no de nan agina me say akonya bi na mkopel akonya keto na me lawyer moda temie ni gina akonya ne so don't use akonya no is strong pa because me ne lawyer moda te gina akonya so akonya na mudi na say akonya ne strong osofo apostle Kofi Agyakom atnase papa o che dia unkonya ho papa majo
bejosu amu
bacho biya bokode
adum atagwe
ya tide
SOMPA FM
ejabo
sanity
eja enya bedu honorable Ken ed nomination form no edeko see ade or cancer flag bearer aspirant
no correct
enti papa eden
yedi kan no ejasafo esese de aseda emo twedi ampon se nea obo ni tim ewo yewura kan ho bra no yemojatoa edane na yem no emre semu no onyankopon wa mani tirim po ade dipefe enti de aseda emewurade ewo no ho ono ankasa nso yebeda nase se waji asudie no atum efrise se papai anyi asudie ya ntum etua no monse ne yesa kaminim Ghana wo mo ayare yare eda mechi de dikan mechi se
papa mpacho sisu biom
beche se wa anyi asudie no antum se ni onyame pe no no ho se o ya kyede ma Ghana so baba be die nim ya kasa brenka bebre yare yare o ejasafo visa mena mentiapo timedahwa na menya news ne say yese yewura kan so pesu ogina yade no within seconds neko me free da sana me gidi so obi a wotie bia nso beje me dance yese ede di kan ya wono mo tie papa yin kan so obegina no wo mo ho baba wo mo pa na niesie ikura de kire se ama nigie no abusu kura on se ehase no na yento abo no akoko mpasua so na oda nani so ade hunadi na ohwe mpasua okọ so ne se ne okana semo a ohun se o deal with issues eniema practically wankasa hu na brabom se Ghana ye de senensa ketua bi so fi se ono no se ni awode aba politics mu no enye dabi ebe yeye ezi wa ma politics na dani so adani o
aben wa ha
o adani kura se kan na so mehwe enenye so mehwe enti ni awaye ana se obia hunu se papa yi ba wa ba politics ni mu no wa ma se sia no presidential yi no asesa kura na nu ni ade afoforo aka no enti wo mo ho ase a ese so wo mo ti wo mo ho ase nia o ma na hwehwe ne ya enti anigye no de ebusu nti eda na se so ama no ho kwan sani onyame hyehyɛ to ho firi ahyase no enne abam edi ama Ghana ni bia wo pɛ no kure Ghana ni bia o pɛ sɛ Ghana etimi ekɔ nanim esinsane a yehuni na edi ahoto mapa eba enti no na aseda yetoso bio nso nkoma mo nso so a mudi dwumaso team no opanyin a wabai ono ka ho bi eja safo opanyin bache odi manisa Foster opanyin kase honorable Ewurade nhiramo mo abadwuma so pa na wa hu se form no de kro no wonya mbatwe wa wuntimi nwuram wo hunu si yakọ no memmam
production mo fa video ne nto so ma why
wa fa nto so
papa kasa
the nsuo kura waka ho asem kura ye nsankyerene a ekire biribi said that offer form nsuo agugu eda ode ko nsuo ato ede na ekire
okasa nya no gina nsuo afi ono ase afi nsuo na no ayedene
sanity
information nsi ha
sanity
no bia ntimi nkofie
sanity enti ye dono so ase papa animu nyina nea moayo sese ni aka ne se ekwan a ye befa so a tokro bia ye befa so abonto amenipa hu ne ewoni mu eni adwempa ekura no a wode agu nkrata so a first 2 years obetimi de asesa Ghana enyina so eno ana sese medalandin for na se sese ntiase ye adwuma kane no mo nti o mo ho ase no ono mo se adinti na maka se no can no vote nti no ane sese nyame ada wo mo ma hyase kan ho bom wo mo hu ne ebobọ free America eba na TSC Europe o mo hu say hey if you can fight them you join them. It's as simple as that. Also for in some form pa no you be on pen some form and Ashasi no catch vision and who said this is the right person a Ghana you hear at this particular time then central for any the obofu good landing na o ma Ashasi agitum e be kakra wo mu nyina ba join the campaign no enu nti ne ayesre MPP fo a ekoto aba no mpanimfo atitiw ni nyina se ma wo no mo enye Ghana bro momu nyenia ebetia oni onyame aboni tirim ewo Ghana ho ebeko atia won they shouldn't do that wo munyai mo manfo mfiri wo mpem enchusu ohinkese a osra no ngo anza no obawiase obese sanioma eniama wa ye nyina he okasa ne we ye be ye firi ho ye yifiri ho da no ye be hia meni mpanimfo bi ba ko no okasa ma yewura vice president na ba ko so kasa ma yewura Lancash eni enyina betra se bobọ nkomo kama na me de megidi so o madwenu mu nkomo na chi no o matu o mhofo no msoroko chese esuma won so o mbo benifo no dawru but o mko no mafo ho adwene evi so o mu ne clear Thursday no se yesoro dwumadi no so no ade ne ye kan it's as simple as that na ebeye wiase nwanwa pa se such a powerful candidate na o man be kasa yempe anka beye wiase nwanwa pa alatafo credit ro so fi se omuhu ni se bibi e wo papa ni mu no osoman ni mu a na no meka me say business takun se gu abrochire e fa omu trust Kennedy nti they are ready se be economy no be boost up nti ni aka no so manfo ye behwe na campaign no ya yirimu se de atadwe ya te the form no eko enti tokuro bie munafe atrosem bi ankofo bi bepeso mbekeka no momyemu ya ningoso na no metwere ho article momyemu ya ningoso so beka ya asem si ebra Yesu sori frɛ ufumu no na wo mati ngomani mu o sori frɛ ufumu no na srafo no on sasase wo so no mo nyina ni ba won so hu sɛ papa na sori wo mkɔ no mkɔ di tro sɛ dabi penifo no se penifo no nti we abe ya mom yenhwe penifo no biribi ya penifo no ya na ho no ta ha adwene but we no obi antime nye ne ho mafia omoboa enya adwuma oni efiri soroba no ni obeji nchim no wono a ne to besa na woni sa mpifo ayi wo mu anim boni ayefo ewo mu wo menyi aye papai modimo ama bebre daso parliament omunyi aye omayi wanim se wo mota vice president echi omamu wo hu wo munye ready general election ombeko fie me can they all of them will go home. They are not honest. You can't do that. There's a wo jina be a wo jina no you are not supposed to say o kan uba bontin beka se me support way and I me support way na what me ayesa ye ne e wa bontin asa bi dibra bi ankura ye ne etim kire ya dwene free na be ka chem se me kire madwen bɛkyerɛ madwen efisa asetena pa ba man mu a me yire nam kosi me yire dwum economy ni ko yi a sɛ akɔhoma na me boy ne bɛgyina hɔ akyɛ ɛsesa o da na me mpre papa prɛko ma me ho ne amegini die so obetimi abu man wayɛ bi pɛ me se ade na asesa o sɛ ɛnyɛ so me hwɛ ayɛ bi afo sɛ Ghana politics ni akɔyɛ no
papa ebi ka sɛ honorable Ken the fact say we successful businessman no nkyɛ sɛ wo man man na obetimi abu
na fedie baby o money so ayo ntasenti ya mo ho omobo nsɛm no bi ho a meti anam na wenum kura no me nwanwa sɛ nkofo bi so mo political aspect why politics ache na sa asɛm we na wo ka da bi bo mo nkeka sa nsɛm no na adwuma amamuo ti o opanye empanyi si ne ekomgye ane omeye amamuo ne de ɛne sɛ wo wunya adwuma yenye sika to botom na utimi to dan utimi si dan utimi bi adwuma fa yonko nye no ani we we free made bi on ye mfa nsusu amamuo bi o menti ase wo mu nim ne awon mo ye on sa de no no mu nim se beba sei no mu ni se bedane no mu fi so Kennedy de they were just underestimating him no mu hu se da bi oman mananite party any oman mano any bue a wo mo hwade hwe nipa potipa ye de oman ne hye ne nsa obetima mo oman no akọ nanim wakeka ni nyina bom manie magina pintin enti ebobo ban wo mu huna sem bi enka akwesa me baketewa bi a me last born na wo ko e no obi edidi na temu school da kola nam se wo no attend ye yamfa nkyere oja ohun ni onka sa ho ma me fufuo chehe
yes what said na tem
wa o ton so na tem ohun ni onka yamfa tem di ankyere no sa pepepe na entasentase abo to mu hu ni omonkeka enti omonka se ai wutimi bi adwuma na nkyere se na mamuo de what is the end result of amamuo adwuma sem awade bekoye enda babunu intimi nware ene prampran ko a no ma twa hadwene na asetena pa ekoye ne se nwuma eba manfo bie nwuma ban papa a yewura Kennedy di ba be resource nkofo a wutumi bi adwuma watimi bi adwuma ne ye fa nipa ne ye taxi wo mo a hwan na nware
papa home so mame
me home so
the messages kakra Facebook Strong Voice Network all share videos no now like it now share page no de my Daniel Fusu o say no can no vote sunyane tanoso e da say menua Emmanuel Etu our CBG wa send me message o hwe yen nti bro bia obi anyame enye de enka ho yenko WhatsApp yen read messages kakra we say the best ever candidate honorable Ken one for Udiama okay that's say we so I say good evening I am Nuruddin we are all for Ken but let all not forget the way we blast other candidates okay that's say we say hi good evening please I'm Nelson Dari from Kumasi precisely Atonsu Aputuja without honorable Ken Japan no vote okay also that's say we say Ghana youth we need Ken Japan for president of the nation okay that's say we say I'm a member of NDC but if Ken Japan win to lead NPP I will campaign for NPP from old papa Sehwi also old papa that's say good evening Safo Ken will surely break the 8 for NPP with his vision and industrialization. Okay, that's this is Eric Pepra. Oh, wow, my classmate too from SSBT in can't say Eric. We are very sure Eric, but that's a message number. We are Mefro na yakasa. You come from Ketikrachi or say Ketikrachi Uti region. We love Honorable Ken. We Uti region are we are not getting on manifest. Okay. Yate meka champion for na wahwe edi hoduma we say no Ken no vote on funny din ama we say I really love your show I really love Uncle Ken and I'm praying for him to become Ghana's president may the good Lord Almighty protect him no Ken no vote John Wascos Manso Abore okay so yeah that's inti call neja message WhatsApp 0598 551 383 0598 551-383 uja o message ho a e be kenkan kama e de amount menda empanimfo bi ase honorable Ken the nomination form no ekọ no panimfo bi eye adesronko bi e de da anasom de ma honorable Ken SOMPA FM panimfo no edin betudwa ne nema omoye e de support honorable Ken enti yenko me wo ho nkran na minya akọ me ko hwe ya George Opoku Amponsa o frame o say boss me won kran you na way nam say den na do bae o say me be ya debut na nam say ne brain na honorable Ken at the nomination form no o say mama enka ma ha me ho George
Mira
bibi aboko de
Yankopa Adaroma
o de na wani tuam
Philly.
But madam, we was feeling.
I'm telling you.
We was feeling. Feeling. Was feeling.
Maybe na me tie Shaibu I can cry. Enti na me so can cry.
Yanko.
Unse cry for baby me depa o say ake ajato atufacha kanto. Na che say yemfa hwempo aduro enye kotodwe. Enti Shaibu unse na so sian kana obra. Ni nyina ne say Ejebo nanu kwada abriwa yi puma kwa ma eja de bedui nye fitin ya na edru nanu kwada no ye hyase wo baabi na ohwe mpanifo a abochidom te se lawyer William Kusinom ene papa ote nchen na wo hye nkran na sabi ye kasa na ankoyi a omotenetene we akire a ma ya kokodura nanu me bedu nkran na me kotena na 2 me woso me ho kakra na ye submission ni wie na Happy FM for battalions gina for mo twen se honorable Ken sempa na ye kan na 2 no ye meto aso e Happy FM ye fi ho wa unim cause abani station se won kran a omo pese ade no adaniti no ye che ma communication ni bi so omo so enti ye da san panifo ni nyina ase na ya na me pese me bodi but no kwase me wo ni se
SOMPA
sa ukwada no me hu ade bi ne mpanimfo bi a na mani na se me hia o mo wodwumade na ase a me hu o mo no pani ba ko me hu na na me say daddy wo kan ho o se me monitor from afar adwuma wo ye nyina mani tua na monyere mo ho me ka ho pa na ja wa ni say de ye techiri but ne de ye yi anim de besi bia nsi papa ni modu pa in fact investment a wathwe ba santimantem mu ha ene takra de ne nkran no enye asem ketwa na minisa brepam safo ni nyina no on be da yi o manim pa na behind the scenes support ni nyina no o masan adan di obedwam so ama obi ehu na menua ene ye dɔɔso nti me bɔ ne tew ebra papa e file wie no one kanafo a e show sa organic love no edi nkuta ho na asem o kan ye no me fa sa ne ma no miensa edi kan okoti Matthew chapter 20 verse 26 because the person o ekese omumu no onsom na wasom party o kan bi gina na wosia agume fisa ampa party I the New Patriotic Party yete ya 1992 no na o hobi Bible bro Yesu bidu baby o say ansa na ebe wo Abraham no na me wo ho ti ansa na ebe ti MPP kura no ono abo Kennedy Agyapong no ho na o hwe sebi ni sika o de awura party nim ne na daje a wase wo party ho ni nyansa ne nibdia na kokodu a o de atwitwaje party we ya se o kase wasom a obi anje na chinye asen akonwa na nye dia o 2000 no obehu 3 free NDC for nsem hwe margin a obi emu ma o wakrama for 6 consecutive terms enti asomba ebiem na ye pese osom MPP mu ansa na ehu se
SOMPA FM
na se de SOMPA forecast SOMPA e market you apa no e benini se NPP for be man market you apa ye tosu mienu NPP ye di akotosie ye hwiri dwam nyina no botaa ne ye ba akopɛ NDC for akoyi John Dramani Mahama hwan na watimi akasa wakasa me bro Mahama finfram Honorable Kennedy Agyapong asem oketosu mienu no wo say I will beat Mahama hands down sa asem no na NPP for ye party o NDC for the omanya eyi Mahama na wie enti hwan na betimi aboro sa Mahama ya maye wabɛgyina hɔ ato n'anim to sɛ me mɛboro no fimfiram na da bia masɛm a meka ne sɛ sɛ wo ne obi ko na wo ho ɔden sen na bɔ no ma no nwiawea wo fam so ate asɛ ɛmmɔ no ɛbɔ bi a ɔte kɔ n'akyi a na ayɛ ne sɛ obɛtumi ne wako ɛwɔ sɛ wotumi bɔ no na ɔwiawea ɛno saa no na wotumi yɛ sɛ wɔfa biribi de abɛbɔ ahaban a no watam ɔtoa ne na wiem ɛne ɛfɛ ne ntasentase
sɛdeɛ papa kan
papa deɛ ne bi pɛpɛɛpɛ nti yɛpɛ obi ama no abɔ mahama fimfiram ama yɛn a papa nankasa ɛfɛ no Honorable Kennedy ɔhene Agyapong de ne sɛsi ne bo sɛ he will beat Mahama hands down. The toso miensa ɔse a vote for Ken is a return of party to its rightful owners. Rightful owners no a delegate na for police station for mo na party ne mo dia. And obi free mumu sɛ yɛmfa party ne ma no. Ɛkyɛ sɛ saa tumi ne bedi ne nsɛm a afei deɛ baabi a party ne kɔkɔ kan ya na mu hwehwɛ na mu hu no no ɛnɛ deɛ party na san bɛka mo nsa. Gidi sɛ saa nneɛma mmiɛnsa wei ɛyɛ nsɛm a mu dɔ a sɛ ɛnya berɛ a yɛkɔ yɛnim no yɛbɛdɔ mu sukɔ sɛ dɛ bɛyɛ a Ghanafoɔ MPP4 ɛne delegate atitiriw asodie abɛda ɔmo so sɛ ɔmo si gyinaeɛ ma yɛn no ɔmo de saa nsɛm wei kɔ adwendwen mu a ɔmo bɛgyina so asi gyinaeɛ a yɛbɛtumi aboa ama the New Patriotic Party yɛtumi akyekyere ɔman Ghana foforɔ a yɛn nyinaa yɛhwɛ nim on the 7th of January 2025 no na bɛgyidi yie sɛ the president of the new Ghana, Owura Nyankopɔn ACAC no, kokoam na ebe dedi ama Ghana fo nyina ehu no, Honorable Kennedy Ohene Agyapong.
Okay, that's George. But memfa nkabo we ntwam. Se enche, MPP delegate monye krado. Ibi binya nsekan. Ibi benya volunteer boots. Ibi benya bicycle. Ibi benya motorbikes. Ibi eba nyame adoma from next week no a camp bi na deba camp bi na deba and yen yenim ene yete ho akere MPP delegate nyame adoma from next week no afeni ye be fremo se o asoma se yemfa sekan mra ne fa ye wafum dwuma yemfa volunteer boot yemfa mra yemfa kwafum baje bicycle baje motorbike we na kire se yen respect mo because you respect wa adwuma bia wo ye pia no ke be ma be opportunity amount de bia anya sekan po nka wo be hia de adofo no ka wo be hia tractor nka wo de ayi wonfu wa hwe onim din o se wo de se de o de wa shelf mu no se ho ne saa na me bra o sekan a o se 2 posts na wo be da for 2 posts for sekan fa do 2 posts na ba wa bra it me be opportunity mo anke bia anke ne ka wo dot 10 and say 20 posts enti we delegate a e besra mu nam kwaso eba nam kwaso a eba Honorable Foster dansa na Foster be mu no min kai messages kakra ewo Facebook sikapon o hwe yen Mr. Opon Brinya o free be kwai poa no o hwe yen Mr. Samuel Obin o USA Honorable Ken edawase wade a wo ye they are submit the form no Alexander Dogbe also USA also Honorable Ken edawase Mr. Andrew Opon Brinya Mr. Opon na me say o de Andrew sika pon na me say o de Andrew de now dey see me also Honorable Ken edawase and Mr. Francis Kunadu a wo UK also Honorable Ken edawase wade fefa o ye edemano and you bet me the message aba WhatsApp 0598551383 0598551383 odo message ni ba back in kai edema na Uncle Fee me big boy on the man a boy big boy Fifi who US of A edase yan kan chief for sources radio UK Europe be bia ne abridgment be bia de sources wrong. Okay, sources also for say
on the radio super.
Oh, is okay, and the sources so for
me boss no.
Okay, go send your boss in there in but sources what they make to me part you are some from na we send this kind of the mommy. Mutiwa and says sources will be no say baby adwuma pa ma mutin bia mon kan just safo say on fan ni sika na mrana. Yes sir. Next week. Now for Tofia kwa me pa me pe aperitivo bitano me pacho fabrem sisi ha tofia kwa wo bia no me pam chomo kan tell say ye hia drink no wa hasisia o da bi o muntimi mponsa ene kwa tofia kwa benya dia ba bia no and say so tofia kwa so say tofia kwa so Dr. Kofi Blessed last week make us say SOMPA owner ya Dr. Kofi Blessed there Friday in Tina ya click sa no one zika pon so frɛ was oh safo me so me Friday born no nti zika pon so Friday for there it say get to for no ya ntokwansi entemu David get to ntokwansi ho uniska kra o de ura get to dia o de bedwitwa ho de ana de beba oni so de ubitimi de amount free sana Kofi for ye tie Foster
oyre
bibia boko de
oh adomara kwa so ikoda edidi ni nyina ya sorry ti adom no nyame adom yen
sawo
so ohene unze no bi obi anidi ba wa sorry ikoda sorry na unzo odidi nzo sorry ti nyina ya sorry
but sorry bi aso ahodin mo bi so de no phone dinya sorry bi na sorry
yo mati eburu
aha
wadama se de odi kan no medical dampani ne ntini na ase ona edi kan omo abo yem papa ya de nyina ono abo Kennedy Agyapong ko Japan omo bono SOMPA omo ye national omo mpanimfo omo ye kofo omo ye campaign team for omo bono chidom no edi kan beda omo ase na yakaso nyame nhiro because said papa kan no ekoba se na niso ade hunu ne bae na wanya nkofo omo no chidom a bigide zenka be ye den ti sampani ni anything from the first person to the last person no ye do omo ase papa ya da the original campaign team chairman Yero Robert Yamankwa na mo communication team yen chairman ya de nyina lawyer Kusi ene ohene say the papa gri kaka na say ye dawro yi de maboa pa na ma adwuma na akọ na say de yen huni cause nyesa ampani mfo we nyina bi je ga adwuma na be de papa say do di kaka but bi je say akoma pa opepa adwene pa omonya e de asom omo man no edi adanse say honorable Ken obese na many papa be di nkomo say BBC na mse obibi na sia wie enti bibi enya si enti sia wie enti enya dance die ma ye nyina ohene maka ne say de na medda na no papa de ne form no ko na nkofo bebre doubt obe file ade no akofa form no de minim nkofo bebre ma akofa form but o man file but obe file so obe file but adan do no file am be hunu nsankyere ne na megidi say de odi kaka na akofa ne form nsankyere ne bisi or submitting so essentially baba said odi kaka na ya dance die na be je adom nyankopon di say honorable Kennedy Agyapong ko Japan onyankopon awie ebrehim wode na maye no ene ma bi be fa no so ma o my Ghana transformation be ba ama nipa bebre hu say sa papa no wa nyina nkasa kwa ne mo onyame na de na ba ebrehim so ma meje o my ne free ba bi e wo mu o hene media de ba kwa ma suan free papa no na no kasa wie no in fact me amete ho no media dina awose gumi na mesuin okania man na bia sa ne man na me feel say going forward no ye benya bra chechiri ma chetiefo no matene man ase o man bia far by ene ne kofa by me fan say ne ekwa be fa so man be bia tumpon e ye adwuma Ghana ye challenge sesia ye wom sesia unemployment obi a be ka kire wo say adwuma ye na ye problem ene ye how na se ne papa yi say what the eme oh sometimes o ka se mo ya na me ni kotwasi o man bia eme bia twam no mu ni o mo hwe Malaysia for no mu ni hwe but they came to this country Ghana ebe study abe on be hwe kwa ye fa so ye dua ye me ni e ma ye fa so ye no
abe no kom fa free ne ko
menua afei o mu free are ko ye no e de na abe ya ma Malaysia. So it tells you this man is a visionary leader. Abenkwa emfaso pi na wono so. Ti se Malaysia vote be fa abe free akoi. Na Malaysia vote be use abe a transform your country. It tells you this man can use abe. I am a Ghana, I abe ye krabehwe. Ko niam bebe ne wo menimu no ye betimi dia ye niam pi. Afo ka banchi asem. Na o ka wie ye na be gina no this man da ye bi nyo mfiri no ya dum nyame na ayere saa if so o hwen sem o kan wie ye peka banchi o se banchi ya fufu ngwa na edidi o afo wie wa sa beka kube o hena wo ka buro o ka wie na se papa na wie ka eniema nan wei ye backbone so bi o ye farmer kwiani a wonim a wa ye more research into the papa ya kan so we obi a sebe wo pese wo ko anim pa dia na wo ye kuani na pesa wonya ho abrabo mu a san ne ma wo boss wo de si woni so obeye na here into large quantity you come out successfully
ye banchi a ye hu wa he ukotu free for ma dan oba ne na one fanya gari a fu
na de bewo
ana agbelema
yeah
asa fufu kokonte agbelema gari eden biom na de banchi e organ ha
menu anu anu no ye wie
you are 4
unye fufu ni free mu a na ai konkonte ni free mu a
me say na asa
untimi mfanya hwe
ba hwe enyema honorable Ken ek kan say itimi de banchi eye
ohene okasa wie ya o tache banchi kakra bi na o experimente kitwa bi se ohwe nduru aye no man mu a na amanone ni Ghana hayo nkofo mu ye nduru ni bi ehia banchi ni bi no mo de aye duro
yeah starch na wo mu
no eno no yade a eye word marketer chese wunya se sie ya enso to no de ne ye example se ba bia atebu amanten ho no demand the cry about company so ontimi
SOMPA FM
when it you obetu mne no kire wo sie sa it tells you say nipa no ka kire no onim de woka baba ka se wo se e practical wenya bakotwe krata na kohwe krata mu minim se na make ultima so wenya business plan o we dey practical wa ye bi anu hu de wo so de to so bi no se that ye na wo mu ye fa hectare no sa de no se ye frafuo ti wo man we fu na bo na ye de no
be reducing by 30%. It's near your tofu 100 cedis be turn 70 because of ethanol na
e wa de ni mu no
yes reducing by 70
and so fancy say am no ka say o say say region bi anya sa campaign ni bi o calculate yo an o ka tons do a wunya e mu sika do e be ba say region bi a wo bi apart from say e create employment no hwefu so kwan e de be fa so when is going to make sure say o no ba as o man no leader sane ma wo nyina be ba ma ya system aye jojo na say ne obi ko fa ka o ne ya say fu obo de charge ni po
yeah
and say am no ka say fu ne bo e a transportation be de be
fu
anyway so
enema so bo be
ko form because say ni pa ko fa enema no wo adobe wura no de ba o de be fa ka sa ka no so petrol no wo form o hene won charge aboden
fasi ya me
mirua nti wadaroma we de me hwa ko ma me tirimpo na kom na nkasa tipu ye wo me de bezia
na that's you read the messages kakra George lawyer kusi tinasema me na me brother bi ewo Germany your friend Nana Kwame Sechere Kechiri or say the gentleman talking George speaks so well if he will move to Accra to storm radio stations to propagate Ken's gospel I will support him I will support his rounds with monthly stipend enti
SOMPA FM
some na can say enti that I say okay yanko YouTube and as Facebook ngen kai message kakra e ho na answer na no Alaji
Safo
bibia woko
Adomni Grace
the next 3 minutes e yo there
yo me da Safo na yehwe ada yewura Ken ohine Japan submitting the forms nsancheni esi ye no emma yehu se Ghana ye hwani mu se benya the new Ghana we are expecting because emra ekodru ho ensuo eto na enipa enwene ho se nsuo elboye
na etwene kofo kura twene bom na ka nsuo to se ko bia obi okura twene bia de ne twene because enwoma ne befo but
mama ni ko see years back 1998 Sunyan Congress
SOMPA
in Kenya na war NPP amanyoko ni mo no then na awosen atiagu me so me say honorable Kennedy or hina Japan or the revival aba NPP amanyoko or the Kenya sonko aba NPP amanyoko afem panifo na omugina esoro ho nyina mo wonye obia se mintim achi obi omo hwe de ekoso who say yes Ghana is in to get a new president wadin sakraye eba Ghana ama Ghana anida so akonkan na mra yewura submitting the forms wie ya obegina ho se okasa no wokeka banche sam nya de ade nyina awie ye no wɔse ɛna no me call oti region me hwɛ oti region enuma bi a me hu ye na me hu sɛ tourism nko akra no it will create a lot of employment for people around oti region ama ɔman no nso anya sika kɛseɛ paa de abɔ ɔman no ho bra ɛwɔ oti region enti hwɛ a baabi a ɔbɛkɔ bia no wɔtaakye biribi mehu sɛ papa no nyame abie n'ani ɛkɔ nkan at which asɛ adeɛ a yɛyɛ gyina bronsan so a yɛhu no honorable Ken ɛkoto aseɛ koraa no a ɔhu tra papa no nyame abie n'ani nyame mmoa honorable Ken ɔhene Japan na Ghana delegate yɛsrɛ delegate sɛ ma yɛnyɛ mfomsoɔ yɛnyi twi na yɛntoma papa yi na deɛ yɛhwɛ ne mu no ɛbɛtra saa because sɛsi a wɔde da ɛndasoɔ aba grassroots mu ama yɛhu sɛ Ghana ɛwɔ ɛnidasoɔ ɛmu sɛ come 2025 sɛ January 7th na Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo sɛ wɔ handi over the baton anaasɛ wɔ de afena ne ma obi a ɛyɛ NPP new president a ɛyɛ honorable Ken ɔhene Japan ɛne yɛhwɛ ne mu menim sɛ inshallah honorable Ken is the president in awaiting wɔyɛ ɔhene a wɔte apata ase yɛhwɛ ne mu sɛ 7 January inshallah ɔbɛsɔ afena mu ɛsɔe ama Ghanafoɔ anya anigyeɛ na nkenya asronko ɛna ɛba Ghana mmerɛ ni hɔ nka mɛto nnwom ama gya sɛ ɔhene safo de no mani gye papa so yes ɛnya asɛm ketewa na menim sɛ nyame nso nti ɔmma Ghanafoɔ ɛbrɛ nyɛ kwa because mpɛmpɛnsoɔ no a ɛdu no sɛ na menam nsuo bom ya me ho afɔ no nyinaa menam na metie deɛ enipa amanfoɔ ɛka obia sɛ nyame mmoa Ghana papa we deɛ to be honest na yɛni ɛnna so sɛ ka yɛbɛto aba biom but deɛ yɛhu wɔ ha yi yɛ sɛ obia ɔba hɔ biaa ɛne wɔn a ɔmo hwɛ from various media no hu sɛ yes adeɛ no adane no ɛnyɛ adane kɛkɛ ɛnyɛ no fafa na dane wɔ honhum ne bɛda na di hunamani ama anigye soronko aba Ghana
ɛdase alaji yɛnkɔ kind message kakra na message we me pesa me kind message we edema lawyer William Kusi Kwame Amwako Jima yɛne enye yi mu nti message ado baba bia no be kan edema I see you are the most destructive group to the NPP breaking the 8th mantra. Party leadership and Ken must call you to order. You don't mean well with your anti-party conduct. Where yeni no kansa asem no ekire yen. Yeda ase Kwame Amwako Jima. Alex Ade or say Ken is our next president from Hamburg. Okay, yeda ase. Augustine Asante or say I'm for Ken, a delegate from Sehui Dwaboso constituency. Yeda ase Mr. Augustine Asante. Eno Efia was watching you from Chronom Ken all the way. Yeda ase Eno Efia. Joshua Ansa Sasreku was say if NPP delegates vote for Honorable Ken, then we will use Honorable Ken as a standard for our presidential candidate for everyone who wants to be president in Ghana. We will not sit down for people to lie to lie to us for president to make themselves rich and at the expense of Ghanaians. Yeah, that's Douglas Entry. I say I'm watching you live from Israel. Safo, God richly bless you more and your team. Yeah, that's it. Young call WhatsApp when you have Facebook messages. WhatsApp no baby. I say last weekend, Honorable Educhum knelt in front of delegates to vote for Baumia so that he becomes vice. So funny. Okay, but one for Udin Ama. That's say. I say hi, good evening. Okay, my kind message. I say we the delegates are ready to vote for Kennedy Japan. That's biom. Or say no Ken, no vote. Ken can do 2024 PhD 2024. Ken can do. Okay, that's one for the armor. Also, one for them. I say Ken all the way. Yeah, that's it. I say please say how can I get one of the cap? Okay, yeah, that's it. And yeah, but yeah, I can say Adena Dani t-shirt. Yeah, shasipu. It's a kofo kakra be donation na shaibu. And I have corporate Adena Dani t-shirt kakra. There one is a person yen more. Nafi yabechama Ghana funyina. Or say it looks like Honorable Ken is the only candidate who has vision to reduce unemployment. Also from UK. Also there's one serious notable guy in Ahafo and not Southwest. I think should contact him if okay, that's okay. If we have a contact now, what the number my na yenno edin komo. Good evening. This is Elton from Buswa. Of late, I was supporting Alan, but now my vote is for Ken. Okay, that's I say Ken, no size. That's it. Still, we are for Ken. No Ken, no vote from Jonas Brekum. That's it. Angela Japan, Buakwa with or say without Ken, NPP can never break the 8. That's it. Champion. Good evening. I'm a big NDC, but the only person we are afraid of is Ken. I'm champion Buffon at Manso Abore. Okay, yeah, that's it. I say hello. I was once with Net2 platform, but I don't know if I'm still okay. Me pacho. Yeah, beba and so. Okay, lawyer. Young call lawyer so now. Emreno. Eko. Cancel.
The most destructive group. We are because MPP now. Yeti no na yen sori ahimachin koto aba enye abom and so today if they are doing it will be destructive MPP ni entwa kontompo ni enfa candidate man share appoint governor appointees will be any clear for that person. That is anti-MPP and probably dokan onim those foreign chase area MPP. That's what we stand against. We want democracy. Let the people choose the one they want. That's all. Yakwan can they see this maybe to say Safu use the newly coined word organic. Obian show Obian kazo Obian fa ba semra. Enso bro yan ni ejina enso no mo twan uraka mu alcohol.
Me mpabo mu foi, me mpabo an me hunam nyina foi.
Man ko hye sneakers an kada nka me say me Italian shoe ba ko. And seriously speaking, we are not anti-party, but we want the party to be on the line of look. MPP has its favorite support base because of the nature of MPP, and the opposing party also has its favorites because of their nature. And when we say anytime MPP be we need be a gab no so, and this be we need be a gab na yaketwa. It is because of that. It tells you say one more MPP for no doors now floating voters down be shifted to MPP no. Na gab na kakra and now I'm saying NDC 20 say floating voters call no win crowd they win at a slim margin, and this is empirical, it's scientific. And to the moment you start picking the traces of NDC and importing it to MPP, you are destroying the party. And when you're anti, I'm not surprised because
the whole sitting MP etimikasi yantu abama obi because Nipan free north. Yeah. Or I can say Dumbu Asefo and Asini. Now, honorable can say Boacheja come back. I say Dumbu ni nana. Ope DC Puyam farmer nearby, not as you go NPP party. Now, the referee said, I heard the Befi, none of them ones now.
And to what we are saying is that we are not destructive. You see the MPP Samba back. Now, alien practices na ya pamneko. Now, I am assuring Ghanaians that it will come because your candidate Nick says or G party number a party for, and he was referring to the grassroots.
Yeah.
Omna party ni omodia, and you as in chain, and you are appointing Crophobia or elite. So the rest are riffraffs, and that is what we stand for. One more party nechi, and I'm gatamu. I campaign, I'm able to do something. So we need to honor them. We cannot throw them away. And yes, we are not being deviant. We are not anti-MPP. We are rather supporting the cause. The one that we are following, I can't work. Class on the grassroots into Oba. And there's a grassroots in the Kasa. Kasa Mobia. And then Yamangwa because party executives, Uba Ashanti Regional, your chairman, I declare, your regional secretary, I declare. And then Yamangwa say we are acting against the party because the presumption out there is that the party itself is supporting one candidate. Is that democracy? Would that be democracy? And please, Mama for Yanko, Makase, I am way more casa because if we are to react on everything you say, probably Makase, we are overhating, but we also have a duty to react. And I remember me who tape will be. I have to talk to it before I leave here. We will react. And you are can't someone what I said. You can be reacting. You know that we are doing politics as a family. Then you are using religion and tribe. Now, Saukokanas will be reacting. I must say we are hitting hard. We are not. We are making sure, say, party and column to order. Let's tell the people what you have done for the party. And I can't back. I say, only the can insert the I say, young candy. I mean, because I'm a party near tomorrow. What do you at them? Is that not the basis for the campaign?
Mm-hmm.
And you know, he has not insulted anybody. The all can say, when you win my partner, wow, yeah, but you know, balance out the party, no bidding in quant to have my party, and also, what do you move be idea? That is up to you. He's only appealing to your conscience. So if you are, we are party in my pa, Nasi Yako Congress, near this Garam Mimitra Congress. See, I got to abandon a pine majority. Say, Muni car, Minami Toka, Mamu. Na say dumpen ni na so dem fa ma won obi a orodi e bedu a ya na
Osaya sitting
MP obi a e betu aba a na onya sika chiche ma won abetu ama na me when I heard say one of the candidates is paying more than Ken. I was surprised because you know so say obi wo partner ho ya adwuma nya ni sika e Ken enti say wo conscience na say Ken ko ba bi no che delegates 100 cities na tumi nya akukudo 200 we have to probe you. Unya sika na he na no meti obi say obi yes calendar yes sika na obepe na no oba government me anim no yes where they say him so obi a mountain start factory ebi onya 4 million a month one adwuma wa bi odi yes sika no come yendie and this is what we want to protect yempe wo mo a omo ba spend no ma ba beti omo ka yepe obi otimidi 6 million check Ghana and you 6 million so your campaign cry it's within his means and caro what they pick up ground to be my basic ground to be my head office says you before I will sum up head office and my instructions first in nanka party and a Jessica at this point and security free baby neighbor and as party people will talk about that we need to resource the party not the executive it's the party. Sir, party by power, our plan in growing the party, and say, Bibi because to be a party now, say benefit in the executive. And this is your contract now, say Bibi or one, and your party no saying, you'll be no swing. At the end of the day, the party will raise enough funds. You call Congress, meeting, let's go on the Bell Congress. 6 years in government. Are you not rejecting the party? Are you not depriving the party? And that's what we are talking about. We want the party back, the MPP that we died for. Our forefathers died for. We want it back. We will not allow the introduction of any azan and mafiaism in the party. We should bow our head in shame. Bantima, time benom to mo, or ya time benom to maba. I just time benom to maba. Subin, can somebody come and tell me boldly? Say it is commonsensical to do that. If you are not a thief, how can you conduct an election at 1 a.m. or 3? What did the party say about that? And no, you see, say your leadership, Papa, what to about evidence say 1 a.m. Go and conduct it again. Or be executive member, when you say, you won't come home. And you think it's fair? They were killing the party. The one who is bringing us hope. is Kennedy Ajapong. Those people who said they are any here to do almost Kennedy Bano.
I mean, kind message we Emma. I say please, I'm Caleb Mensah Otabil, popularly known as Logical Preacher 1. I'm a famous NPP fan in L2 Boduasi. I lost hope as an NPP member due to poorest governance under Nanado. I say, but with Honorable Ken, I'm back. Please, I want you to save my line and call me. Yeah. I'm also a pastor. Please, I will do everything in my power that Honorable Ken will come to power.
Amen.
I'm praying he becomes the flag bearer for NPP and Pastor Caleb, popularly known as Logical Preacher.
Oh, yeah. Logical Preacher, Mwakwaba.
Papa, me the number.
I had the holiness in Guao.
Me the number, no,
holiness in Guao. Please, that is what we are saying. We want the party back on track. You can't say you deviate. Now, party penify. Somebody raised this issue about the regional minister of Accra declaring, say, Obianko Tumabo Omiano Obisa say, does the party constitution allow for that? Majority leader made a declaration at the time that contest in Grand started. Yemrano, a Mahukwain, what is the party doing? That is what we are saying. We want fair. You see, Canada, let me repeat it here. But Kennedy has changed the equation. Kennedy Nyama can say some person party near one. We make sure so much will be about to because minimum say there's a party in the offering. I said this and I had evidence. Kennedy and a boss had in because those people have seen say because Kennedy has come to resolve the matter. And you're careful. No more conduct here about fairly because Kennedy book on fairly or not obey the victory is overwhelming. It's organic.
Like now say or do be our person or can was
another one I asked for to and maybe I can was a meeting be one of the candidates. And I'm sure he made a statement like I was chosen partly because I'm a Muslim.
That's right. Yes.
So I am representing you. I'm not here for myself. So support me. And you see, this statement is dangerous. That candidate seemed, I don't know the word as you, but you are not careful or the division Baba party. This party knows no Muslim, it knows no Christian. We are one. And so when you go about assuming that somebody else says that Muslim a Christian vote support me, what will be the reaction of the party? Would that be proper? And why do you want to use a minority advantage to win some majority? It's impossible. Minimum advice, no. He should desist from using those strategies. And because of technology, and some little bit of care is needed. Or call not for the the statement of course notness are being used for dirty works. Master, yes, a master Juan here, you know. It was in bad states. They were denying it. This one is video. And please, it look as if, sir, or no delegates, we are electing somebody who bring all of us together as a party and as a nation. Yeah, Benji Whoa, yeah, campaign say he's the best man to bring Muslim and Christians together. In Ghana, there's no line between Muslim and Christians. We are one.
Yes, see National Cathedral. TV Mama.
I mean,
yes, National Cathedral.
Because if you ask me, you don't see a Muslim, you don't see a Christian. We are friends. One of my best friends is a Muslim.
Oba me ma mesaida. Me o antisa. Na e o Salamatu. Musa. Fatima. Edimba nambo nye azantidina me wono.
No, enkremudi.
Oko honorable Saida. Ya Usiaka. Ewo yefi. Ya wo tse kremufo bebre. Ewo yefi aye nyina ibo ya kakasa ba kwa yefrifie ba ko mu. Maame ba ko emma. Enti den
maame be di hajia. Madam Fopani Haruna, o minua. Triple H. Oye media person. And what is this division about? And why will you campaign based on these things?
Like a Wednesday now, and crying. Kamfuni kakra. SOMPA
FM.
I regained my youthful status. Me ya brand here prekupe. Me dani ya brand here. I saw hope coming.
Yeah.
And I revived. My spirit got revived. And I said, wow. Do you know why? We started and people didn't trust and believe in our vision and dreams. And so some of them were making comments. Now me bring grandpa and me one can call Sabanya.
Sir.
Hey. Now Pierre didn't cry so chairs here, dear. And we should start.
Yes, you are right.
Omsina mo chanti PAD. What is it? Na me chanti chain must. Oh, Omsi ye wafa. Can you believe that I spoke to some clients who said, "Oh, we are ready to finance. When you come, we will do something." Because earlier on, no companies get from some money. They'll be so yeah ready.
That's right.
Because they've seen. Now look, it wasn't just the crowd. The race were with us.
Right.
Yeah.
And so super boy and me and from us super boy was thrown near Sassy. Hallelujah. There was no incident free. Who police knew how? We controlled ourselves.
Because we are disciplined.
It shows you the kind of leadership that Ghana is going to face going forward.
Yeah.
It was, me say, you did not run in an pessimism.
National headquarters. Oh.
Me have place and worship on them. So I'm going to make sure Kenneth.
And Penifona, you hand it over. A kind of forms now. So, but who catch it? Crowd with dear. The other candidates, they won't pass, but with dear. Who pass me? I said, from up far on men who pass me. And come on, Mammy Dromachi. Yes. And come on, Moody, Nameti.
As I for deliberately, as leaders, we decided not to pass.
Yeah.
Because candidate here, Jumo are saying off. That is more important.
Now, when Mamma as Dama, Chairman of View, and now Mr. George Utibunsu. Omuka say Wednesday, on of best submitted form no. And I'm say, you can pick form no. You call on the quiet. You can submit so I answer on the quiet. No. Media minimum tells me from over the be. If I say Dean, I'm say General, media penny. Let me fray, Mr. Utibunsu.
Dean, the engine, sir.
And was Safo. Mean tears is honorable Chinchina chain coin on the quiet. Now me fray, Mr. Utibunsu can Safo. Yes, she had call now to say, yeah, of course, I met that. As someone look at Tuesday and a 9:30. No, beer him say Wednesday, of course, I met form. No, Tibons say, Safo, she that fuck to me, bad critic, and me defend I'm catching a cook. And I'm a friend, Mr. Pombio. Was a Safo? Monco announced, say, Namboa, it's 90. From the 1 o'clock. Now me ball Kennedy man. Kennedy Safo you show them say. Chairman Pombio say was my friend answer. I was afraid of Pombio say Kennedy me say mo announce be about me me say no boni gidi or so ya wi. Afi ono hu kra no no far from Mr. Pombio. O dey me sorry say me feel about tell me. And me say Ghana for dom me say o track crowd me say na one gen this because you announcement Tuesday 10 a.m.
Yes. Me record
apart from cancer platform side they to so no took a man FM net 2 and an announcement na asfm asa na she ensure
na talk rather than get say but in so it was very significant because there was a prophecy ahead
good you go far forms no ensure toy ya dey go say we are Asante region we are Asante region
that it will rain in the whole Ghana.
Yes,
right. There's something the whole Ghana.
Exactly. That's what happened.
And see that prophecy is unfolding.
Yes.
And to be anyina ye.
That's right.
Mo amoji nyamidi no. Wo kasa. Munya asunam te delegates muti o. Nyame say honorable no when I do say going forward odin bebu Miami hu yanimu ye. Don't make the mistake. Okay. You can't challenge God.
Okay.
Let's support Kennedy with everything we have. Now I'm sure say only and him. Okache say I will never disappoint you if you vote me to office. He said it. Was he a two-manner only disappointed da?
Yeah, that's a home so. Ike,
boss.
2 minutes. Na fi yanko your lines ne so.
Yeah. Boss me that's it. Nanku po insha. Emra started say yeah.
Hey, baby can hoe.
Nanku pardon no hoe pa.
La papa we on say osondae. No nsi honorable. Osondae na osi honorable Ken. No say krache. Brabidi mechi na twendom mami.
Yes.
And I started say or take friends of Ken.
new road here.
Ɔte friends of Ken no ɔte friends of Ken na nere ɛwɔ bɛma no say ɔka kyerɛ ɔban sɛ akora bɛma ya ɔbɛ die ɛyɛ Honorable Ken dia yɛde so ate ase ama no baby Ken yes
Mr. President
to say Honorable Ken and sister
what we believe
yes yeah me can asem see job on sister say ɔmo nkware mo ya ade na Honorable bo no ɛna ɔmo ofa bɛbo Honorable ɛna ɔno ɔka kyerɛ ne sister ne ofa ne say one day obey president no president obidi catch no ofa no kra nse wache ne sister no enti from ɔmo kware mu no ne sister no friend man bi ade bia mu nam say Michelle nam say auntie offer o brother president and would be the president was it president na dey enkwara bremu na say ne see ya o kan from then my friend president ato and na me no ka say
fantastic
Mr. Man be na ka say me kire
ba
to hu na on Mr. President my friend let me say what friend o brother president and would be the president o see enkwara na me yade na obo me na me ofa so be bo and o ka say so obey president obe on ne ofa de nyina atum I can go 2 minutes
was with us Yankopon Shra say na man no see as memni kan chia incoming president Honorable Kennedy Agyapong His Excellency 2025 media mu gide mu na menim de Nyankopon aka akere me na menim de Nyankopon ayi akere me da bia no me di Honorable achi because enye easy say obija onyuma ho na ode ye nema bi papa no me ogide wonu mu na Nyankopon na ayi no osoro ayi no na asase so afe no se omedi president e wo Ghana ometwitwanye oman Ghana emfiri nkwaso mu esan se ye man Ghana no enema kwa achew na yehia obi a ne bu oduo yehia obi odi ne kwa yehia obi a sebi se ne baye bone obetima ache na twa ne to aka ache ne se we na wo ya enye enti ye ni sei ono an Honorable Kennedy Agyapong senior bebrebe na papa na ye se ye hwe ne ma wa ye de aboa oman ase Ghana me de bia na me kase anka ye kase Honorable aye sei na anka ada Kennedy ba akoso abeka me so ma ye sei ba da bia ye ka omunya bi nyedai enka ebi ne se na nse omototo to apapre ne adadi enhyanka Nyankopon se adwuma ye start ye Nyankopon to nhyan suade aguso aso abapa esan se start ye nkakra ne bi kas ye adwuma ma ada candidate bi ye de ye adwuma ma we ampa ye kopeke forms ene dane ye ene yakosomete ye forms asa dan ye de Nyankopon ase na de ye ka che Honorable Kennedy Agyapong se ma wo nsuro ene spirit bia no wo wiase anase tumi bia no wo wiase betime attack se ne president ya oba abedi no matter how it is Nyankopon ese wo mra obia no me pese me bo atumi o mo wiase din bebrebe din but me Kwame Isaac me say tumi bia no Nyankopon ene se papa no o medi president e wo man Ghana apart from papa no se Ghana MPP delegates se ya nhweye na ye mixe sa target we e ma ne koye wrong a MPP e bebre me nka se MPP
okay
da but o ma ha Ghana for misre obi bia senior me ma no bis ma me ncha me yere anya sa na me kwa me nya aduane ni no credit oba papa bi adwa free kechiri me yere ma mu nyina ona ye kechiri ne ho free so no do no so Nyankopon nhira no
send the house ka no fatira no because
I don't see you maybe boss you see o ka se me fatira
George
papa media de srebinam
okay
bebe say me appeal to nyamsom ku ahodo mpanimfo a wo Ghana
papa obetimi do number na to dwama
yo visa so die ba ko a mafa to me ho so ne se me ne nyamsom ku ahodo no mpanimfo ebekasa omonko ye moa ye pre papa e de amaye ho ene ye ma ne Ghana dachi enti yesre wonom kremofo mpanimfo ekristofo mpanimfo enti me number no so bia ye nyamsom ni na ohun se papa ni ne kuredie esese eta na chi no fra 0551 yes I want to see studio
0551 0551 5
kafro 153
153
6775
6775.
My number no actually pa
na answer the best sorry the number no number betuja George also
yeah the na make
1 minute
the ato lawyer there no so no on say in strategic communication you free be manipulative communication any be na nkrofobia no aka me hu ye wo contester wo share wo strength wo weakness opportunities and a threat na ka bebe your strength no wa boho the rope ha man crofate but we dey o madane ade no ma baabi a eye o weakness no e ho mom na person highlight ena ode ye cohesive communication ena ye say nti no mo anto amaya na che se ma yi afi enti se ye koka bi na yanka ni yi a na yaka se ha omo cassette ye sunwei ana omo cassette ye nipakuwe enti ye hu saade ni nyina achi ba ye pese ye mo mo ti ase se kokra man feri so beto hwene so a wo so mferi so de asawa betare so
okay
ba bia ye gina sesi ye ni de ayesa abrantie bia na one ne wofa agro na no mu die wi ase na wabɔ ne wɔfa n'ani ho ma wɔfa ni prunso ɔno so ya na ɔko a ne wɔfa ase na ɔde ne t-shirt na motoam na wosi na pampantwa de wɔso ɔfa ubu mi kom wɔse akwakuire ho na ato de ɛden ebi na aduro no sese ba bi aduro no aduro de ɛden enti the line is sign ho
okay
wo cross science be cross
papa bi no ne yere ene ba ofie na ma me ne yere papa ne yere tu kwan ti aka no ba ma ofie na papa no girlfriend aba ne ba no ho nti no untimi hu se oma ne girl no nra nza na se mo nram na ne ba no so girlfriend aba no so abegina bo ne papa o do no so esu so man girls aba is afi papa ti odi o se so obi so mo obi ma
asabi na no
so see obi so mo obi ma enti tia
ena sa for politics aye no ho it's about people, power and reward.
Yeah.
Enti eye nipa na ye politics. Na ye nyina ye mra na ye mesin corporate to me. Ana se ye me politics. Ye ba na ye kobonto na ye kɔ campaign na se to me ne ba wi a. Adu reward. Say kakra free mu ba na ye nche na obi anya bi. And that is what Honorable Kennedy Agyapong stands for. Say ye nche ne nketen na form 4 no so enso om.
Ya ma form 4 na memu a on ba bu ye ko.
Ba bi agina no. Ye say form 4 party no ya chairman asenfa. Say ye be kan nyina abom ni ache no foforo eche wi a nam so o cha de ntubi ntino Honorable Kennedy na ohwa me ache no wode ne sabegu na chi police station for mutubi wi a
0551931931 na 0548931931 ti frɛ na enkasa answer na no enko WhatsApp ko kai messages kakra o say good evening Mr. Safo is the man we need say Mr. Ken is the man we need now as Ghanaians and not those people who ran away throwing dust into our eyes. Ken all the way, Mr. Yanchira or Kintampo, Mr. Yanchira Dase. Good work, guys. Some of us have put our neck on the line for NPP party, but some people are enjoying our sweat. I vow not to utter a word for the party again, but for Honorable Ken, we will stand again. Greetings to Honorable Upoku Amponsa from Kwesi Fubi. Okay, that's it. We so I say true, be bold. Ghana without Ken is like going to church without a Bible. The incomparable Ken is the incoming president of Ghana. Patience moves mountains by Sir Davis. Okay, Sir Davis. Also, yeah, that was 0551-931-931 and 0548-931-931. Yanko Ahumane so. Honorable Ken ye.
Hello,
Emmanuel, Pacho Udini baby akasa free.
Me kasa free for Mayo.
Me Pacho yan kasa.
Mama me ni.
Pacho, hello. What menka? What menka?
Beto nka fa.
Pacho dina ye mai. What's that?
They say mama me ni. Hey, mama. When you say the food over yeah, oh. First of all, men are there asking people all of that. I tell you, SOMPA.
Line no emunyi pacho so betimi afre back. Honorable Kenny. Hello. Okay. I was a boss. I have tried calling your number and it's always busy. I'm Frank Nyantechi, a delegate from Efija Kwabre North Constituency. I have endorsed Honorable Ken. I want to do campaign exercise for my Ken in my constituency, Honorable Ken in my constituency, and I have started with our constituency treasurer Bones. Okay, yeah, that's we are. No, Ebekasa. I'm an NPP delegate watching you from Brekum West. Jene. I support Honorable Ken. Also, yeah, that was it. Say good evening, SOMPA TV. I'm also I'm from Kumasi Tafo. If NPP don't take care, they'll be in opposition for 12 years. Mark it on the wall. If we fail to come together and call, I'm called Prince. Okay, yeah, that's it. I say I'm for Ken. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Yeah, but you on for Udiama. Okay, Mr. Alex. Okay, was it Ken all the way, Mr. Alex? Yeah, that's it. I'll call one line. So okay, Honorable Ken.
Hello.
Honorable Ken.
Yeah.
Grassroots Emrenie. But you didn't be free.
I'm beginning to sign.
That's something, but you're free.
Must be espresso.
About your youngster.
Yeah. I can't be a judge. So, on the island, I'm more the same company. They can make a rich and say, I come on, not only a man and so it's real. Like a young man, and you know, nice about politics. No, it's not conflict. Like, that's also some attachment. Almost from there, like, can any other people and from the almost 10 and other people. No, they are so massive. Almost my year and one. I'm on Ghana. I'm out to Abba.
Yeah, that's it. Honorable Kenny. Hello. Let's check line 2. No, am I? Okay, we say. Good evening, Mr. Safo. With Honorable Ken, MPP is safe and straight. Win is waiting for us in 2024 general election. Ken can do. I'm Peter Embro from a polling station organizer. Okay, that's it. Okay, Honorable Ken.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Honorable Ken.
Yes, senior. Good evening, everyone.
Okay, but you're into.
I'm the part. I'm the celebrity person. Go for my mom, for my mom. I'm in the same. I'm not going to party.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Honorable Kenny. Hello. Hello. Honorable Kenny. Hello. And the lines no in the M1. And try one more call. I'm fine. Honorable Kenny.
Grassroots mania.
But you didn't ever get free.
But your friend or he never got a constituency.
But you got free.
Yes, senior. When him idea a yapa with politics. Idea a yan say, oh, but brew near your campaign. Not or more. Oh, no, we do our calling Chelsea or friend on. But I media in your politics. Media in your politics. And you really are some for no money politics and money here for Mojuma. Or money do a man the small boy. I was school and never me to sell on so many politics. No, yes, it's so much more baby no more difficult and I a brain. There into media men my imagine the milk two bed about me. I mean, about me some you look around and the former Kenner. Let's my Bama Ken. But some constituency chairman, constituency chairman, wait into and let to a bet yard down.
Yeah, that's it. And the phone lines no anymore. And 10 phone segment in it and ready WhatsApp messages. Kakra. Good evening, dear. I really like and love everything about Honorable Ken because he's always free and fair. Okay, Daddy, we are for you. Okay, one funny thing. We say I just want to thank you guys for good job and you are doing. I am also encouraging to be steadfast in your dealings because no matter what the big wings in MPP will do, Ken will still win the race. From Frank Osu, Bempa, Birmingham, UK. Yeah, that's it. We also say I'm John from Achiase. No Ken, no vote. Up to now, they are still owing we the napkins it's only Ken that always fight. Okay, whereas I have paid. Okay, message new quite lengthy. Also, I'm Safo Ken all the way. I'm also Safo from US Ken all the way. Okay, bra Safo and our name. That's it. May Allah Almighty bless Ken. I'm Adams from North Kanishi. I support Ken 100%. Okay, Mr. Adams said that's it. Ghanaian should tell Dr. Baumia that has filled people of Ghana as head of economic management team. Okay, from Isaac Kuwait. Okay, that's it. The only way Ghanaians can develop is through Honorable Ken Japan. Okay, from assuming Amponsa. That's it. We say hello, good evening, guys. Good work done. Okay, one for the Ghana needs a leader who will bring a better change that will affect everyone in the country. And Honorable Ken Japan is the one. He is the one who will charge a change and that's charge attitude of Ghanaians. Okay, done so many. Okay, that's it. I say, oh, today you make me happy, pa. Ken is the best candidate, inshallah, from Wafa. One Doma Ahinkru. That's it. Okay, I'll say hi. I'm Collins, texting you from Brekum. Even if Ken doesn't win, I beg let him go as independent. Now the youth are ready to vote. Okay, I just wonder when we Ukraine on the uncle independent. Watch the hi, good evening. I'm Jojo. Ken has changed as sinful and will change Ghana as well. That's it. I'll say hi.
SOMPA FM.
Greetings from side of Bogo. So Kennedy is for Ghana. Ken Kobe, also known as Dennis from Fusu in Suta. Okay, that's it. Was it friends? Ken Ohene Japan all the way from Kwamena Dazi Cape Coast. Yeah, that old news for no Euram time no aso. And I say I'd grow it no. Na dear son a 24 news for no time aso. Or say sorry na news for no bem. Nyame aduma that's ne the besia munua Ohene Kofi Safo na mitna edwamo. Yemfa na say pa nkoma me big boy Fifi and Kofi bia obia no. Nyame sha Emmanuel 2 Kwesininsin Eja Ando Asante Odesiaba Focus ene opi oka ho bia no eden so nchia sonko ne na ase sonko ene mamo Lawyer William Kusi that's so by Honorable Alaji that's so by George Foster Isaac Osofo Shaibu da mo nyina amase nyame aduma that's ne ebehia na answer na no pese comes nyame aduma china program sonko kra ekoso net 2 TV 6 to 8 p.m. That's ne ebehia Mr. Kofi upon brinya that's na Mr. Kofi Blessed Sompa una also that's nyame aduma that's ne ebehia